Good morning, all of you. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Today we will start a new chapter. Before starting the chapter, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. As you know that earlier we have completed motion, causes of motion, gravitation, and the different concepts related to that. You know that when we were talking about the force, we have said that force is a push or pull in an object. Force changes the speed of an object. Force changes the direction of an object. Then using Newton's law, we have done that force is the product of mass and acceleration also. So different concepts we have done related to the force. Now the next level arises by applying this force. What other things can happen on an object? Like if I am here, or if I will continue to stand for a long time. As you know that if I will continue to stand for a long time, after some time I will get tired because my energy get exhausted. So we will come to know about the new concepts of energy, work, how the work and energy are related to each other. So in this chapter we will do about these things. You know that in our everyday life we observe different phenomena. Like you are preparing for your exam, so you sit on a chair for long hour and you continue study and you make notes and you do draw diagrams and prepare for your exam. And after long study you get tired. You will say that you are doing a lot of work, you are tired because your energy exhausted there. But in terms of science, you are not doing any work, means science says that you are not doing any work. Then what is the meaning of work done according to the science? So we will do that concept today. What is the scientific concept of the work done? You know that if any block is there and if you continue apply a force on it, maybe you will get exhausted and block is not able to move. So you will say that you are doing a lot of work. But in terms of science, there is no work done. You are not doing any work. But according to the science, when you apply a force on any block and it displaces, what is the meaning of S? Displaces distance S. So we will say that in terms of science, work is done. So according to the scientific concept of work done is said to be the product of force and displacement. Product of force and displacement. So work done in terms of science, we will say that Fs. Now this force is acting in the direction of displacement. About this we can say that now the unit which is used to measure this work done. So unit which is used to measure the work done is just like work done. If we will say that, we will say that 1 joule is the SI unit of work done. Force is measured in Newton and displacement is measured in 1 meter. So joule is the SI unit of work done. What is 1 joule? When 1 Newton force is applied on an object and it displaces through a distance of 1 meter, then the work done on the object is said to be 1 joule. So this is all about. So what you have come to know, like when you are changing your position, like I am standing here and someone apply, yeah, this block is there, and when we change our position, like we are playing in the field, any game like football or cricket or anything, whenever forces are applied and because of that force there is displacement in the body, then we will say that work is done in terms of science. If any one condition is not fulfilled, like there is no displacement after applying force, so then there is no work done. Work done is a scalar quantity. It does not depend on direction. So more detail we will do in the next class. Today is just an introductory section. There are many things we will do about it, like work done can be positive, negative, depend on the direction of force. Today is a simple concept, that is work is said to be done in terms of science when we apply the force, and by applying force the body get displaced, then work is said to be done in science. Thank you.
Is force. push or pull applied on an object. It can move a stationary object or stop a moving object. Force can also change the speed and direction of a moving object. If enough force is applied, it can also change the shape or size of an object. When force is applied on an object, resulting in the movement of that object, work is said to be done.